Hey, Jeremy.
I'm here in Toronto right now, and I'm here with Super Hairpieces. Come on in, let me show you my travel essentials. So anytime that I get any liftage or I decide that I want to take off my system, this stuff right here is what's gonna come in handy. So the way I would apply this, I would probably put on like a cotton ball or something, and kind of I'll start with my hairline, try to get kind of a spot where I can get it to lift up, and then I'll keep applying it if I feel any tension as I'm peeling it back. Once I officially get it off, I'll kind of have like a tray. I'll put a little bit of this at the bottom of the tray, and I'll place the system down and let that soak while I'm kind of cleaning off my scalp and stuff like that. I'll then shower, get myself all cleaned up. Right after that, I'll dry off and I'll grab some KP Skin Med, which is basically a scalp protector. That's gonna help from the sweat and the oil from interfering with the adhesive. And it'll probably allow me to keep the system on longer. Once I have that on my head, I'll let that dry. The Ghost Bond will be applied onto the system. It will come out white, and then I will wait till it clears up. Once it clears up, that's when I will sit there. I would have a mirror, something like this, kind of resting on the table. And then I will look down at the mirror, and I will line up. Typically I would use a 4-finger method, or I'll take my fingernail and kind of just line up where I want that system to be. So right after that, I'll kind of sit there, I'll place it on. And once that's fully secure, I'll comb through it and whatnot. And then I will apply some weave and wig. This is going to allow my hair to not look dry. It's basically a leave-in conditioner. So yeah, it's typically all I do.